So hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the Chef Renewal microwave popper. It's a plastic thing, and it actually turns into, let's see if I can do it without destroying the popcorn. It's popcorn already in it, as you can see, and it actually turns into a bowl. But I'm not going to do it because, wait a minute, I got it. It turns into a bowl. It's supposed to be more popcorn than that, but it has a little top to it that you put on. So you press it down when you put it in the microwave oven, and then you pull it up when you want the bowl. And I pop some microwave popcorn. It's good. I like it. So I'm going to get this. First of all, I'm going to... Yeah, that's the Chef Renewal. That's the popcorn on the top. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. And if you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Write a comment in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.